So to get this process started with defining your curls, so they can last all day, be hydrated, nice and juicy. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to see the install video for this wig, yes, that will be linked in the description, also in the video as well. The first thing you want to do is you're gonna get a towel, right? You get one of your towels because you're gonna need it. You're gonna take this little, I have this wet brush just for, like, you know, blow drying your hair. I've used it on blow dry my hair, but today I'm gonna use it to detangle. First step is split it down the middle. Sorry if I hear background noise, I really do apologize. I will try to keep it to a minimum. Split it down the middle and detangle it. And the next step, you're going to, you know, spray a good amount of water on the hair to get it kind of damp, not soaked, but damp. So the first step we're gonna do is detangling and dampening the hair. Now the hair is saturated and detangled. I could really wear this hair big. This is some water wave hair from ZSFHAIR. I just recently replaced the frontal because it needed a new frontal bad. I could really wear this hair big, but she's cute. Well, she's cute either way, but like water wave is just like my favorite texture. So the next step is we're going to take our Lotta Body. Also, I love Lotta Body products. So Lotta Body, if you watching, holla at your girl. But I love Lotta Body products. So we're going to be taking our Wrap Me Mousse, Foaming Mousse, and saturating that into the hair. And then we're going to be taking our Lotta Body leave-in conditioner, strengthening leave-in conditioner, and also spraying that into the hair.
A nigga down with. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use the bitch 'cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it for you get killed. Bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said a real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed 'cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. That nigga blocking west, that nigga drown in it. They round drunk, yeah, that nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit. Murder gang shit, I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up.
So we've got that all saturated through the hair. And then another product I'm gonna be trying by Lotta Body. I saw it today. I was like, I need some type of jelly. I'm gonna be using the Shape Me Custard Long Lasting Hold, tames frizz and adds moisture from Lotta Body as well. Y'all would have thought this was sponsored by Lotta Body. It's not. It's not sponsored. I just love all of the products. So we have the foam, the spray, Yeah, the foam, the leave-in conditioner, and now the jelly. And you just add like a little bit. You don't need too much because it's like literally like a jelly. And just like work it through the hair just so the curls can like last, and it'll keep them nice without making them too crunchy. Well, not too crunchy, but without making them crunchy.
Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet.
Finished, you know, hydrating, foaming, throwing the leave-in conditioner, the jelly, all of that. We finished all those steps. So now I'm just gonna top it off with some lightweight oil leave-in serum. This is just generic value product. They sell this at Sally Henson's. Just an ultra lightweight leave-in to combat frizz and ash shine while also providing heat protection. But yeah, looks like this. And you only need like a itty bitty amount and just work that through each side. And yeah, that's really all you need.
OG, Bobby, Josh, OG, Bobby, Josh. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from? Whole hood hot, cause your nigga hitting licks. Ain't made a meal yet, but he still nigga rich. Stick on my, stick on my, stick on. How you want it, nigga? Full of the city, looking for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flags.
Well, that's how you get your curls to last all day. And if you're going to bed like I am, then what you're gonna do is split your hair down the middle. You're gonna separate them into two and just braid them into two plaits. Like just like, you know how the girl, Wendy's girl, for like Wendy's the factory, when her hair is just in two braids. That's all you're gonna do. Go wrap your hair. You're gonna go to bed. Night night. So I'm gonna wrap them in two braids.